Now, as part of your setup, after you've created your TikTok Ad Manager account, you'll be required to link your TikTok account. That's from the app, right? Now, if you don't do this, you will not be able to run ads on the TikTok Ad Manager. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to simply do that. Now, there is a way I recommended in my earlier video where I said you need to first of all log into TikTok using your browser. By that I mean just go to I don't want to exit this place. Let's suppose we go here. You just type tiktok.com. Now this is not TikTok Ad Manager, this is just normal TikTok, tiktok.com. I think I'm signed into one of my TikTok accounts already here, but let's see what happens.
I hereby commission this
Sorry,
multi-model.
it's still loading. Okay, so it has loaded. There's an account. It's still loading anyway, but you can see here there's an account already logged in here. Okay, but this is not the account I want to use. Okay, however, this is the first method I said. First log into tiktok.com with the very account you want to link to your TikTok Ad Manager. So that's the first thing to do, such that by the time you now click on link TikTok account, it will automatically pick it from that browser, right? Yeah, so that's the first method that I explained. But now I want to try the method of connecting it directly. Of course, when you want to do this one, right, you can either log in with maybe your password and your username, or phone and user and password, or email and password. Okay, or you can as well try logging in with your what's it called, QR code. Okay, so that's how you log in here. In this case, I'm only going to try the option of QR code by the time we start. But first of all, notice that there are other things to do here. This one is username. You can edit this, you can change this. Okay, so I changed this earlier in one of the videos. Then the next you can see here is your email. So if you haven't added an email before, you can add. If you have added but want to change it, you can click here to do that. Okay, then we have your phone number. If you haven't added, you can add. Otherwise, if you want to change the phone number, you can click here. Okay, so what we have to do now is our TikTok account. Now before we get into this, first of all, you need to make sure that that TikTok account is switched to business TikTok account if it's on personal TikTok account. Okay, I suppose you understand what I mean. All right, so all you need to do is to go to your the hamburger icon. That's the 3-line top right on your TikTok app. If you're using Android phone, click on it. Then you will see where it says settings and privacy. Click on it. When you click on it, you head over to accounts, right? So around there, let me be sure what I'm telling you is how it is. So I'm going there right away. So accounts, then you click on okay, you don't need to click on any other thing. You just look. When you have clicked on account, you now see switch to business account. If your own is saying switch to personal account, it means it's already on business account. So in the case of mine, the account I want to use is already on business, right? So that's it. Now if that is set, the next thing is to click here. I've just clicked on it. Okay, so it wants to confirm that I'm the one who is taking this action. So a message will be sent to my WhatsApp. I told you, any phone number you are using, ensure that it is connected to your WhatsApp, or you are using it on WhatsApp too. Okay, first of all, be sure that it's available for calls, because at the first instance they will call you. Subsequently, they will send you the message on your WhatsApp. Okay, let me even switch over to that WhatsApp, because I'm using two WhatsApp or 2 numbers on this WhatsApp. So I'll switch over to the particular WhatsApp such that the moment they send the code, I will pick it. Okay, so I'll hit send code. Now in the videos I did earlier, I told you that the names they use when they send the code might look somehow. So like this one say Traffin, that's the name. Okay, the other different names. Okay, just pay attention to your this thing and see what comes up to be sure that they are the ones sending it to you and not scammers sending you the message. Okay, so I confirm. Now it's bringing up all of this because of the other account already connected here. So what do? I don't want to use this account, so I'll click here to switch. So I'll say continue. That was what I told you. So had it been I logged into that account, it would have been easy. Okay, that was why that first option was important. So I've switched. Now I'll use QR code. So I'll go to the WhatsApp. Then I'll click on the hamburger icon, the 3 lines top right. Then I will see my QR code. I'll click on it. Then I'll hit to scan. I'll position it. I'm scanning it right away. Okay. Yeah, scanned. Log in, confirm. So I've logged in. So that's it. So you can decide to turn off anything or leave it the way it is. In my case, I don't need to turn off anything, so I'll continue. You notice that this was the interface we saw before we switched. Remember where we switched, okay? So everything is okay, so I'll just hit on continue. Alright, so we are almost there. So if it refreshes now, you'll see that our TikTok account has been added. So let me refresh it. So can you see the TikTok account has been added? So we are done with this part. Okay, if you want to change your password, this is where to click. Okay, so that's it about here. All right, now if you have any question on TikTok ad manager account, right, how to create it, or if you have any issues, let me know. If it's the one I've treated in my course, I'll refer you to my course. If it's the one I need to answer here, I'll just answer it here. Okay, so use the comment section. Remember to subscribe if this is your first time. Turn on the notification bell because there will be many more updates. See you in the next.